Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a hot piping cup of coffee in your hand right now because I got some new beautiful products and accessories from the company Brio. This is the Brio Beardscape 2 V2. Has a color LCD down here at the bottom, multifunctional. You got your clips on there. I actually cut my hair with this all the time. You can see my full tutorial video on that on my channel. As well as these products, I will link in the description box below this video where you guys can read more about them and pick them up yourself. Again, top link in the description box below. But let's show you what we got. Number one, we have the Beardscape Sleeve, which I am in need of using this because I just have this literally in a hair cutting pouch or whatnot. Especially if you're using this in your bathroom, it just looks a lot cleaner. So let's go ahead and show you how we do it here. So we can get rid of the blade guard here, and then the easiest thing to do is slip it in up here first, and then you pop it around the bottom here. So this is just a nice little kind of a silicone sleeve guard where you can have that in your bathroom drawer, etc. And it's covering the top of it to protect your blade and not scratch up your drawer or shelf. So that's a cool little accessory, and then when you're ready to go, just slip it out as we see here. There's actually room in there if you want to have your blade guard on as well, slipping it into the sleeve. So a couple different options for you there. Next up, I have a replacement blade for the Beardscape body. This is a very to flip out your old one and put this one in when you're ready to go if you need a new blade. Ready to use for when I do. Next up is who doesn't need a pair of tweezers and a good pair of tweezers. I'm tired of using cheap tweezers, and there's a little better closer look at them here. Nice little ends to them here and TMI, but be able to pluck out any unwanted hairs, etc. Looking forward to putting those to a little bit more use off camera, but a nice accessory nonetheless. Now next up, we actually have the blade box. So I will actually put my blade in here. So this is pretty cool. This flips out from the side down here. Push it with your thumb and then put your blades in right here. As we can see right here with my blade now protected, flip that over, and that's going to look great inside my brand new vanity in my master bath. Next up, in a beautiful case that actually feels great. Let's go ahead and slip it on out right here. And ladies and gentlemen, we have our nail clipping set right here. We have a smaller one for your fingernails, and then you have a larger one for the toenails, and a very nice little box to keep them stored in. But we flip it around, and lo and behold, we have a nice pair of scissors as well. And then on the side here, we pull this out. This is like a piece of glass here. I'm not exactly sure what that is for quite yet. I'll try to figure that out, but that is on the side right here. But you're very slightly bent up, very slightly, to be able to trim those cuticles, etc. When you're not using them, snaps right back into place. And I actually need to use this very, very much. I've let my nails overgrow, and this might be a little TMI for you, but let's go ahead and give it a little test drive right now. Very sharp, clips very nicely, and of course I will be throwing that in the trash can. Clip them down really nice. Let's do one more for you right on camera here, and then I will do the rest off camera. Boom, I like it. Very nice. Clips one shot. No pulls, no nothing. Then once again, if you do have a little cuticle or anything like that, just go ahead and snip that off with the scissors. Okay, I will be doing more of that off camera. Very well made as well. Feels like a solid nail clipper. Again, that one goes there, that one goes there. They stay in place as you flip it over, and then you slide it right back into your little case here. Very nice accessory and accessories. Well, folks, like I said, I use this all the time to actually cut my hair. Of course, you could do your beard as well. Definitely watch my video. And again, top link in the description box below will be all these products where you guys can read more about them. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as tech-related videos, DIY, home projects, and more. Thank you for watching. Once again, top link in the description box below. We'll see you on the next video. My name is Chris.